So this screencast will explain the prototype that I've built using SAP Build. So once a user logs in or authenticates, then they're shown this welcome page or home page. So in E+, there was a list of buttons. Each one would show a different page, so there'd be one for models, objects, matrices, and maps. On here, all 4 of these objects are loaded all at the same time, so all it takes is a user to click on a tabbed panel to view the data. Now, ideally, if build wasn't a little too simplified, create new model and search models would be in the same line instead of taking up an extra space here. But there's no divs or containers in build, so you're kind of limited with what you can do. So just like in E+, there's a dialog box showing you all the objects used for a model. Edit, take you straight to the model. So we're here. So for the modeling page, again, there's limitations because this is SAP Build's version of grid lines. So ideally there'd be 3 columns here. So this would have all the objects. The final column would have the properties, and the middle would just have a canvas for the user to create a model. Then for objects is similar again. Just like E+, dialog box to create and delete. Create new is using the dialog box again. And maps. So in E+, there's around 15 columns. In each row is a line of data, so you'd be answering questions. Obviously, it wouldn't be practical to fit all 15 columns, but this is an example of what it would look like. Now, on each page, there are breadcrumb style navigation because there isn't a horizontal navigation in build. Put navigation. The only navigation there is vertical, which takes up too much space and isn't practical. So I've gone for the breadcrumb, but when building it, you could obviously use the horizontal layout. So if we were to go to one other page, you can easily go back. So if we go to documentation, so in E+, each one of these is a separate page at the top of the navigation. Now they're all loaded all at once, so the user doesn't have to keep clicking around to find the content they need. And here they're showing a dialog box with the buttons. And then they pick where they want to go, and they're showing this is obviously placeholder text for now. And then the footer shows the ability to report a bug, just like in E+, using a pop-up window, help. So this is a big change because in E+, you'd be able to edit as a user content for other users. So here you'd actually suggest what you want to change and submit that, and then go to an administrator, which is, in my opinion, the better way of handling editing. And then the help, obviously, there's around 7 or 8 buttons in E+, which link you to documentation, which helps you with doing the task, so starting a new page. So here, it shows a dialog box instead of taking you to that page like you would in E+. All of it is accessible from the same area. And then terms, just like in E+, obviously instead of a new page, you can view it wherever. On the home page, it's all the same. You never have to leave to view that information. And that covers the demonstration.